Let's make banana cupcake. And here are the ingredients: 2 bananas. No need of blending, save some energy by squashing them with just a fork. Then add your margarine or butter, any of your choice. Add a little bit of vegetable oil. Then add your 160 grams of sugar with 2 eggs, fresh from our farm. Vanilla extract, and then let's just give it a smooth and slow whisk. There we go. In another bowl, let's just mix our dry ingredient, that's all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Then that is our mixture. Let's mix our dry and the wet ingredients all together and give it another good mix till all that is incorporated well, and we get the viscosity that we need. That is what we need. Let's fill our cups with the mixture, and make sure you don't fill it to the brim or it should not overflow. Make sure you just let it have that room of expanding, and there we go. Put it in our oven, 160 degrees Celsius, and that is the results. Wow. If you love the recipe, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.